Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about important settings you need to know right now as far as WhatsApp chat, privacy, and security settings is concerned. In some cases, you may want to stop people from forwarding your chat or download media file that you sent to them on WhatsApp chat. How do you do that? First thing first, go ahead and open up a chat that you want to use. Having opened up a chat, go ahead and click on their profile icon right here. This open up the detail about their profile. Next thing you want to do to scroll down right here and make sure you scroll down until you get to advanced chat privacy turn off right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. If you turn this on, people in this chat can save media to the device gallery automatically, and at the same time can ask meta question or to create an image or summarize in this chat, and at the same time can export your chat as the case may be. So what you need to do to protect your chat with this contact, go ahead and make sure you turn on this particular button right here, and you are done. With that, whatever media you send to them, whatever chat you send to them, they won't be able to download the media file automatically to their gallery, and at the same time, they won't be able to use Meta AI to provide the further question as far as the chat is concerned, and at the same time, they won't be able to export the chat from your chat room to another contact. It's that small tutorial, tips and tricks about privacy and security setting on WhatsApp like this. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.